Let me show you how to fix Gemini AI not loading. Whether you're trying to use Gemini on your phone on the app or on the website, if it is not loading, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now, first of all, if you're using Gemini on your phone and if you have the app installed, what you can do is try clearing out the cache. If you have an Android, you can just tap and hold the app and head over to app info. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone settings and then offload your app. Tap on clear all data and tap on OK. Now once you do those steps, you can open up the app again and try to see if the issue is now fixed. So for example, if you're using it on the website, on a laptop or a desktop, or even on a phone, you can tap on the three dotted line on the top right of your browser, head over to settings. From the settings of this page, tap on privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data, and make sure that the top three options are selected and at least last 7 days are selected. This way you can tap on delete data. Now once you tap on delete data and you refresh this page, the issue of Gemini not loading should be fixed. Now if you tried out both of these steps and you're still having issues, what you can do is use a different browser. Currently, if you're using Google Chrome, you can try out a different browser such as Microsoft Edge or Brave and try logging into your Google account. If you're having same issues with a different browser as well, that likely means that the entire system of Gemini is facing issues. In this case, the best thing that you can do is wait out some time before you try to use the app or the website again. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to fix Gemini AI not loading. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.